8626 Tiverton. We're the only house that I see in this area that has this black on the fascia and then a little bit of stucco areas. I think it might be worth considering repainting that. It shouldn't be very expensive. I just redid my fascia. It was under $700. You do have the additional elements here, so we could get a quote for that if the property manager thinks that it's a good idea. We have security bars all the way down this side of the house on the first floor. We've done a number of properties in this neighborhood. It's been good for us. There's a boat right there. Maybe repaint this or refinish it. Front door looks good. Of course, we're going to change out the locks. 1 window, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go through and count before I have to recount. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me just make sure there's not one in here. 10. Okay. But this one doesn't need a blind. It's frosted. Really beautiful counters, undermount sink, upgraded faucet, upgraded cabinet pulls, upgraded light. Toilet looks totally fine. It actually looks new. I'm not sure if it is. Now to the flooring. Gorgeous. Very pretty. I like the more modern hardware, although we would change that out to a landlord lock. So you'd have to change this one too. And that one. So it's kind of adding up, unless you just want to leave this open, not put a lock here. Then you'd have 1, maybe 2, 3. Front door is 4. 1, 2, 3. And then the gate is 5. And then the gate on this is 6. So that's a lot. These cabinets look, these bifold closet doors look nice. We have some upgraded cabinet pulls there as well. Gas. Nice that they brought the flooring all the way through. They did paint the hinges. We prefer they don't, but it's not a big deal. It's a smaller kitchen, but it's nice and open, so it doesn't feel as small as it is. This light is right in front of this door. I don't think that makes a lot of sense. How does this work? Okay. Lots of oleanders and some other plants. Lots of concrete, which is great. Palm tree provides shade. It is hanging over other people's yards, though. So we are missing rock along here, but we do have a lot of greenery and concrete. That palm tree looks a little sad. So we may not need to add rock. The property manager will let us know. I don't think it makes sense to have this light here. I know it's supposed to be the eat-in area, but the property manager can tell us what she thinks. Okay, so this is obviously the entertainment area. Really beautiful fireplace, mantle, more entertaining space. The walls are white. The baseboards are dated. The carpet's dated. A little bit of paint stain there. I'm going to count the windows separately from the downstairs. So 3. This appears to be the master. A little bit of paint chipping, not a big deal. That'll be window 4. Window 5. maybe repaint that. Okay, the light doesn't work in here. Something's going on over there and here. Looks like it was taped for painting, but I can't be sure. Beautiful counter, beautiful water fixture, and undermount sink. I like that they updated the hardware throughout. Windows 6 and 7. Window 8. Need to stretch the carpet. You know, carpet's only $1.50 a square foot. It would freshen up the place if you could replace it. Oh, I lost count of the windows. Sorry. Okay, that's the property. A little bit of paint chipping here. And then we have the picture windows too. I'm gonna go ahead and recount the windows down here. So maybe we would put rice paper or nothing there. Obviously we have a shade. So 1, 2, 3, maybe 3. We might not need anything there. It's 1 story. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. May not need anything up there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that was it. Okay.